we're gonna fix this hole. Because remember, I told you guys it had like a little, they had it squared in, and they had a, I don't know, she had a little thing sitting on it, and she never liked it and wanted it out of there. We don't know if it was some kind of medicine chest at one time or something, we're not sure. So what we're going to do is I had to take that out to get to these wires here. And it made it easier to run for the fan. So, what we're going to do today, guys, is I'm going to show you how to patch this hole. But first, I got to take this big behemoth down off of here, and I forgot to have her clean it out, so I got to do that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shut the power off to that, and we got to get up in here. We got to unhook these wires. Where you at? Right here. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to clean this out. Of course, it's this medicine chest, cabinet, whatever. So we got some screws up here. Hopefully they are in the studs. If they are not, I'm going to put them in the studs, but I believe it is. I might do some work with this thing too, which should have been done when this was put in, but she was single, didn't have nobody to help her, you know, when she bought this vanity. Another thing, this drawer does not close all the way because the shut-off valve is right behind that drawer. So instead of making a sharp 90 or whatever and moving the shut-off valve, they left it there and kind of cut a hole in there instead of moving what they should have moved. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to that today, but that's going to be another project maybe, and I'm going to fill them holes in for her while I got the mud out and all that. So like I said, I'm off till Monday, so I go back Monday. So but I'm going to get back with you here as soon as I unhook them wires. I'm not going to bore you guys with that because there's only 3 wires. You guys get the idea. If you don't know how to do that, you probably shouldn't be doing this anyway, because you know you don't want to mess with that. So right now I'm going to go get the tools I need, get this cleaned out, and I'll get back with you here shortly, guys. So, oh, by the way, it's our new camera that I did the unboxing on. So I'm trying it out. So it's got some shells behind us that from New Smyrna Beach, and she put them in them shadow boxes. So anyway, I get sidetracked. Sorry, guys. She's working, so she won't be back home till probably this afternoon. So, all right, guys. That being said, I'm going to be right back with you. All right, man. So, hang in there. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. This is what we got so far. I cut that out. I cut out a piece a little bit bigger than what the hole was, and then I set this piece on over top of it. I marked it, and then I cut out the wall so it would fit in there. I put 2 pieces of wood back behind there to hold this on. This is what I used to cut it with. Right there. We got the medicine chest down. I don't know what this was in here for, but pretty much overkill, whatever they had in there. Somebody put their name there, so I put my name there 10 years later. So this is what we're looking at so far. We're getting there. So I gotta let this dry, and then I'll put another coat on it, and I'll let it dry, and I'll probably go with 3 coats. So, and no, I didn't put the tape around it, didn't have to. A nice tight fit. I'm not going to need the tape. So there's what we're looking at so far. Still gotta get that other switch. We went to Lowe's the other day and I forgot to pick up one of these to match. So anyway, there's what we're looking at so far, and I'll get back with you after I get another coat on it. Hi YouTube, I'm back. I'm getting ready to... Oh, you can come in.
Sorry, babe.
Monkey. Get ready to hang this mirror back up here. So, I'm going to see if maybe Monkey will give me a hand with this.
Okay.
Outtakes. Alright. What I gotta do. I just down by myself, didn't I?
Yeah. I don't know how you did it.
Hold on to that for me.
Okay.
And get the ladder. Move, Bruno. Okay, let's do that. On that scale.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Let's see if I can do this without breaking something.
Please.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to hold this for me. Or your toe. One of these. You gonna be able to hold this up for me?
I don't know. Where do I need to be? Because I'm not like... Let me get this for you first, Bruno. What'd you do with the piece?
What piece?
What thing? That fell.
That did fall. It was a screw.
Yeah, where'd it
Oh, don't
go?
worry about it. Got one up here.
Okay. They're gonna get my back.
You're right. Get over there where you need to be. Is that where you want it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Where it needs to be, yeah.
That's where it needs to be?
Yeah.
Bruno, quit. That's a screw.
Stop playing with it. Oh!
Got them down, huh? Okay, right there, alright with you? Or is it too low?
You gotta make sure it's not too low for the stopper.
That's what I'm asking you. What
There we
stopper?
Okay.
That doesn't work anyway. What are you doing, huh?
Nothing.
You can't. You're pushing too much to the side, babe. Let go. It's gotta be straight. Is that where you want it? Or is it too low?
No, that's fine.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Honey, you gotta be sure.
Okay.
Is
Just
that
do
too
it.
low? Or is that where you want it?
I am fine with it.
Okay, but you gotta hold that end up just like that.
Okay. I got it.
You don't have to get mad at me in front of the camera. I'm just making sure because I only want to do this one time. So, well, don't get mad at me. When I'm just... Everything I do for you, and I'm doing this for you, so you don't need to get mad at me, do you?
No.
When I'm asking you where you want it?
No.
Okay.
That's good.
Another screw here. That one didn't go in the stud. Oh shit. Little overkill on the screws, huh? You got that screw down there? You can let go now.
Oh.
It's up to you.
Did you wire the lights in?
Really? Did you see me wire the lights in?
Oh, I didn't. I don't know what
I'm good, but damn, I ain't that good. Did I wire the lights in? I better get on that before I hang it, huh? Give me a screw, please.
Hey,
Bruno's got it. He's eating it. 2.5 inch screws, guys.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want it to fall. Thing's not going anywhere. Uh-oh. Cool. Alright.
That looks good.
I'll put one down here for you. One there for you. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so that's the cabinet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking to you, honey.
Oh. I go now.
Please.
I'm
Yeah,
out.
Go. You're out. Alright, guys. Everyday life, bickering back and forth and all that, but you know. Alright, this is going to be the next video right here. Because remember I told you I don't know why the hell I bought that light. Or that switch. On one of these. Of course these have to be white. They don't match this. But I did buy this switch today. The actual that matches this switch. So, but there we go. Of course this is dirty because it's been sitting here for... But there's what we ended up with. There's the wall. Ain't perfect. Still want to need a little bit of paint, but... There's the hole that was in the wall. So that's what we got there.
What are you doing?
So anyway, so I got to hook the lights up. And we did get a bulb for that. We don't know how many watts it is, but so anyway, there you guys.
We're
What
too
you got to
blind,
do.
we can't see it.
This is a badass stopper, guys.
Really?
Check this out. Yeah. Check this out. This is cool. I mean, check this out. Watch it. See? Just push it in the center and let go.
Well, he's gonna pulling that thing up and down and getting stuck.
Isn't that cool, guys? Look at that. And then there you go. That's bad to the
Small
bone.
things amuse small minds.
But there you go. So, it ain't perfect, but I didn't have my glasses on when I
some
seen
more.
it.
Oh, it's still wet. Is that a second boat?
Yeah, it's a second coat. It's a
coat?
second coat of paint.
Well, you didn't do right here.
I did most of it. It was clear out there. I'm sorry I didn't gauge it right. But yes.
It does look better. Thank
What
you
about
very
back
much.
there in the back?
Oh, that looks so much better. It really does.
See, and I did get it down there.
I'm gonna put
But
another
anyway,
coat on it though.
yes, it's going to need another coat, but
Yeah.
it's not perfect. I didn't have my glasses on.
I need a touch up there anyway.
But
So
anyhow.
I got it out.
So anyway, there you go, guys. That's what we do around here. And what are you gonna say?
I'm out.
I don't care what you say.
Huh?
Bye, YouTube.
I got a lot of cleaning to do now.
That's it for this video. Like I said, the next one's going to be this, and then I also have another what video coming up.
Oh, good. A mess. It's a mess.
You want to explain to them?
The closet.
What happened to the closet?
Well, we heard a plunk
That was a little more than that.
in the bedroom when we were laying there watching TV.
And,
And then we
the
thought,
doors kind of came open.
yeah, the closet door's kind of, whoo. And then you peeked in there and said, oh, everything fell. The shelf fell. I
Yeah.
have a closet made, one shelf. It's very plain closet. I want to redo the whole thing eventually, but for right now, we got one wire thing and it just went.
Yeah.
So
But we didn't hang that or it wouldn't have fell.
No. It was already hung up
Yeah.
there, and I just painted around it when
Yeah,
I
so.
moved in.
But
so.
well, that'll be another video, so.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so stay tuned for the light switch video and for the closet hanging shelf video stuff. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're going to go. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.